Oh, evening. Oh, yeah.
What is that? Look at this part. This tip is poking into the flesh.
You just watch and see. Ah!
The thing in my eye.
I have no eyes. It's really very heavy. This is serious.
There's nothing much on top.
Repaired quite well, but it's not working below here, like here. Ah, later you.
Stop going down any further. When you keep giving in to yourself, you will definitely move. Why is it so hard for you to fly? You have no reason to go down.
Oh.
It's out, solved with one cut.
The result is still on the opposite side, otherwise there's a bad one here. It hurts here, right? How many days has it been hurting? Several days. They came first. It's mentioned here that it's not okay at all. Is it? How much has it been infected?
It can come out. Still, couldn't zoom in.
This is really itchy. Today it flared up again and 1 cent. There must be something on top. Anyway, this delivery is good, but it can't be delivered. It said it got messed up inside.
Does it still hurt? I said, hey, in a couple more days, it won't poke in anymore.
It started briefly and then it pierced.
I was sweating just now. It will definitely hurt a bit. Well, after the kid fixed it here, there were some stubs left inside. Fix it at home yourself. Just bear with it.
It hurts, even if you hit your hand. Ah, does it hurt?
Let me check inside this stub. If I can't see it, I have to rely on feeling to fix it. Want me? Say no out. Here it comes. It's out.